Good morning, dear children. This is Arithmetic Progressions exercise 5.4, and today we shall be solving all the questions given in the exercise 5.4. What is question number 1? Which term of the AP 121, 117, 113 is its first negative term? Now look here, children. First term of the AP is 121. So A is equal to 121. Second term is 117. Third term is 113. And this way this AP is moving forward, and you have to find the first negative term and tell which term is your first negative term. So this is the question. So here you know that your first term A is 121 and common difference D will be equal to 117 minus 121, which will be equal to minus 4. Now see, you know how to find out your nth term, that is Tn, or you can write An, whatever you like. So nth term will be equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is your A here? This is 121. And what is your D? What is your D? Your D is minus 4. Okay. So you will be putting the values of A and D. So Tn will be equal to 121 plus minus 4n plus 4. Now see, this will become 121 minus 4n plus 4, that will be equal to 125 minus 4n, and this is equal to your Tn. Now nth term, you are finding out the nth term here. Now what should be your nth term? Nth term should be less than 0. This should be less than 0. See, your first term was 121. So T1 was 121. Now you are finding out Tn, and this Tn should be less than 0. So this Tn must be less than 0. This says that 125 minus 4n must be less than 0. So this way, what you will get, 125 will be less than, or you add my plus 4n on both the sides. Now see, will be less than 0 plus 4n. So see, you can cancel here minus 4n plus 4n, and you are getting 125 less than 4n. So now if you divide, less than and greater than also work like equal to only. Just you have to use the same thing in the LHS as well as RHS. Now if you divide LHS and RHS by 4, you will get 125 by 4, 120, 125 by 4 less than n. Okay, now cancel this. 4 ones are 4, so 4 threes are 12, 4 ones are 4 point, and now 10 is left, so 4 twos are 8, 20, 4 fives are 20. That means n should be greater than 31.25. And children, you all know that n is never in fraction or in decimal. So here you are getting that your negative term will be greater than the 31st term. Okay, so n must be equal to 32. Your 32nd term will be negative. 32nd term will be negative. If you want to clarify, you can just find out your 32nd term, so that you can get checked whether whatever you are getting is correct or not. Let's find out 32nd term. Let's see what is our 32nd term. Now see, 32nd term, how will you find? Now children, see here we have 121. A is equal to 121 plus. Now what is your n? How much did you get? N equal to 32. So 32 minus 1. And what is your d? D is equal to minus 4. Now see, the nth term will be 121 plus 32 minus 1 is 31. 31 into minus 4. Now see, this will become 121 plus 31 into 4 will be 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. And here you have minus, so minus 124. Now see children, 121 plus minus 124 will give you minus 3. So from here you can say that T32 is equal to minus 3, and this is the first negative term of the series AP 121, 117, 113 and so on. The sum of the third and the seventh terms of an AP is 6 and their product is 8. Find the sum of the first 16 terms of the AP. Now children, what you have to do is just write down what is given. See, sum of the third and the seventh terms, matlab T3 plus T7. Third term and seventh term sum is equal to 6. This is the first situation given. And the next situation is their product is 8. Means term 3 multiplied by term 7 is equal to 8. Now what you have to do is you have to find the first 16 terms, sum of first S16, sum of first 16 terms you have to calculate. This is the question. Now children, you know how do you find T3? T3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. So that is A plus 2D. Okay. And T7, it will be equal to A plus 6D. Okay. Now the sum is how much? 6. If you add, you are getting 6. So 2A plus 8D. So now this is what you have got. 2A plus 8D is equal to 6. If you take out 2 common, you will get A plus how much? 4D equal to 6. So A plus 4D will be equal to 6 by 2. That will be equal to 3. So A plus 4D is equal to 3. Okay. Now let us see the next. Now let us see the next equation. The next equation is T3 into T7 is equal to 8. T3 is A plus 2D multiplied by A plus 6D. This is equal to how much? 8. This is given as 8. See here, T3 into T7 is 8 and T3 plus T7 is 6. So here A plus 2D is your T3 and A plus 6D is your T7. So A plus 2D multiplied by A plus 6D is equal to 8. Now let's solve it. What we are going to get. Now let's take A plus 4D as equation 3. Okay. Now see, A plus 2D into A plus 6D. First of all, from here you can change either D or A to one term so that we can have only one variable here. If you have only one variable in the LHS and numbers in the RHS, you can calculate the variables. So first of all change it. Now from here you will get A is equal to 3 minus 4D. Okay. So we can substitute the value of 3 minus 4D here. So what you will get? 3 minus 4D plus 2D into 3 minus 4D plus 6D. Okay. This will become 8. Now see, minus 4D plus 2D will give you minus 2D. So 3 minus 2D into 3, see 3 minus 4D plus 6D. So 3 plus 2D will be equal to 8. Now if you identify here, you have the identity A minus B into A plus B. So this implies A square minus B square, that is 3 square minus 2D square is equal to 8. So this says that 9 minus 4D square will be equal to 8. So minus 4d square will be equal to 8 minus 9. Okay. Now see, minus 4d square will be equal to minus 1. So d square will be equal to minus 1 divided by minus 4. You can cancel negative. So d square will be equal to 1 by 4. So d will be equal to how much? D will be equal to, I am just putting it this side. Please see this side. D square is equal to 1 by 4 says D is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now see, from here A is equal to 3 minus 4D. So if first let us take D is equal to 1 by 2. Then you will get A is equal to 3 minus 4 into 1 by 2. So if you cancel 2 ones are 2 twos are. So you will get A is equal to 1. This is the first case. Okay. Now in the second case what you will get, let us see if you take D is equal to minus 1 by 2. Suppose you are going to take D is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, here D was plus 1 by 2, here D minus 1 by 2. So what you will get, you know that A is equal to 3 minus 4D. So from here A will be equal to 3 minus 4 into minus 1 by 2. Now again cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now minus 2 into minus 1. So plus 2. So 3 plus 2. This says that A is equal to 5. So you have two situations. First situation A is equal to 5 and second situation A is equal to 1. When is A equal to 1? When your D is positive. And when is A equal to 5? When your D is negative. Now children, make the series. Okay, let's make the series. First AP, you are getting two APs here. First AP you are getting is A equal to 5 and here your D is negative. D is equal to minus 1 by 2. So 5 minus 1 by 2. How much you are getting? 5 minus 0.5, 4.5. Then 4. Then 3.5. Then 3. Then 2.5. This way this is moving. So here what will be your S16? S16 will be equal to 16 by 2 into 2 into 5 2A plus 16 minus 1 15 and here your D is minus 1 by 2. Okay. So let us see what we are getting. Here 2 8s are 16. So 8. 2 5s are 10 minus 15 by 2. Now 15 by 2 is equal to 7.5. So 10 minus 7.5. So that will be 8 into 2.5. So 25 8s are 200. So you put a point here. So your answer is 20. Okay. So when A is equal to 5, S16 is equal to 20. Let us see when A is equal to 1. When A is equal to 1, let us see what we are going to get. When A is equal to 1, then your D will be equal to 1 by 2. This you shouldn't forget. See, when your D was 1 by 2, when your D was 1 by 2, your A was equal to 1. So we are following the same thing for the second AP. So what AP you are going to get here? Your next AP what you are going to get here? Here you are making an AP as 1, then 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, like this AP is moving. Okay. Now what is S16? S16 will be equal to again 16 by 2 into 2A means 2 into 1 plus n minus 1, 16 minus 1, 15 and your D was plus 1 by 2. Okay. Now see what you are getting. 8 into 2 plus this is 15 into 1 by 2. 15 by 2. 15 by 2 is 7.5. So this will be 8 into 9.5. 8 5s are 40. 4. Okay. 8 9s are 72 and 4. 76. So put a point.